Namaste everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hypotension, cerebral tension, emotional tension, mental tension, lack of sleep, insomnia, stress, anxiety. Today I am going to discuss on one technique which will help to get rid of these all problems, which is called as Bhramari, humming bee sound. Let's get started. Bhramari comes from the root word Bhramara, which means the bee. This practice is called as humming bee sound because the practitioner imitates the deep, same low-pitched humming sound as that of black bee. That's why it is called as humming bee sound. You can do this practice in sitting position, maybe in Sukhasana, variation of Siddhasana, Vajrasana, Ardha Padmasana or lotus posture, that is called as Padmasana. And also you can do it in lying down position, which is called as Shavasana, but only if a practitioner is not able to sit, only in extreme conditions. But try to practice this one in sitting position to get more benefits of this practice. In technique 1, you need to sit in any comfortable posture or adopt the variation whichever you feel comfortable. Place your both hands on your knees into Chin Mudra or Dhyana Mudra. Keep your spine, neck and head in one line. Gently close your eyes, chin parallel to the floor. You just need to take deep inhalations, which is full yogic breathing. I hope everybody knows what is full yogic breathing. After that, you need to make the sound of humming bee. While making the sound of humming bee, make sure your teeth are slightly separated, lips are completely closed, and try to make the sound in low pitch and lengthen the sound as long as possible to get the more benefits of this practice. Have a look like this. When it comes to variation 2, here you need to adopt Ujjayi breathing. So Ujjayi breathing is nothing but where you're going to contract your throat. In specifically speaking, you're going to contract your glottis. When you contract your glottis, you'll feel the gentle snoring sound or the sound similar to the sleeping baby. If you want to know more about Ujjayi breathing, please check the link. Here you're going to do Ujjayi breathing along with Antar Kumbhaka, which means retention of the breath inside. And again, while exhaling, making the sound of humming bee as we did from the stage 1. So technique goes like this. You need to sit in any comfortable posture, contract your throat, start taking deep inhalation. Hold the breath as long as possible without any strain. Initially, how much you inhale, the same quantity try to hold the breath inside. While exhaling, make the sound of humming bee in low pitch and try to lengthen the sound. Here you're going to do Ujjayi breathing along with holding the breath inside and also adopting the bandhas. Here we're going to use 2 bandhas. One is Jalandhara bandha, which is called as throat lock, and another one is Moola bandha, root lock. First you need to inhale deeply by contracting your throat, adopting Ujjayi breathing. After the end of the inhalation, drop the chin down, adopt Jalandhara bandha, throat lock, and also adopt root lock, Moola bandha. Hold the breath inside as long as possible. Release the root lock first, Moola bandha, and release the throat lock, Jalandhara bandha, and start producing the humming bee sound as long as possible in low pitch. And then the next practice comes here is using the Shanmukhi Mudra. You have to continue contracting the throat, that is called Ujjayi breathing, and also Moola Bandha and Jalandhara Bandha, root lock and throat lock. Shanmukhi Mudra practice is one of the most subtle practice, so I would suggest you to first practice these all basic stages before you go into the state of Shanmukhi Mudra. When you do the Shanmukhi Mudra, make sure your elbows are pointing to the sideways and your spine is completely upright, chin is parallel to the floor. As we go deeper into the practice, it will awaken the psychic sensitivity. It's better to first master all the basic stages before you try Shanmukhi Mudra. If you're not able to do Shanmukhi Mudra for a longer period of time, you can use variation of Shanmukhi Mudra. You can just use your only index finger to close your ears, and here you have to press the ear ligament inside your ear holes, not your finger inside your ears. Gently, and continue the practice in the same way. This Bhramari Pranayama awakens the psychic sensitivity and awareness of subtle sound or subtle vibrations, which is called as Nada. So that is why it is suggested to practice early in the morning or late in the night. That's all about Bhramari Pranayama humming bee technique. I have tried to cover almost all the informations in one single video, so you don't have to search any other Google or any other videos. You'll get each and every detail in one video. So it's now time for you to put those things into action, practice, and let me know how it goes for you. Next time I'll come up with one more detailed pranayama technique. Until then, stay tuned to my channel, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Namaste, stay blessed.